Hi, I'm Peter from Speciality Waterproof and Roof. Today we're here on a roof in Waverley in Pretoria, and we're going to be airless spraying this roof. But before we get to that, I'm going to show you what sort of maintenance and preparation work we do on these roofs before we start spraying. So first of all, we'll start treating all the rust on this roof. If you have a look at this transition here where the roof sheet metal has been cut, you'll see there's a lot of rust on these transitions. So we'll sand this down to bare metal and start priming it. We'll do exactly with the same with the roof screws. That is actually zinc screws, and it's a sacrificial metal, so it will actually start rusting before it allows the sheet metal to start rusting. So we'll take off this surface rust and we'll start priming it. I'll show you an example of how we did it just in the next slide. So here's a small area that we've treated, and we've now primed it, so you can see the screw, no more rust penetrating through, no more rust on this side as well, and actually this joint as well, it's looking perfect. As you can see, this is how it looked like on the sides, and this is how it looks like now. So the next step that we've done here is waterproof the roof flashing. This is to create a transition from the wall onto the roof. So we've waterproofed the parapet wall to make sure that there's no water seeping in behind the roof flashing. So next we'll be high pressure cleaning this roof to remove this powdery substance, which is actually the protective coating that these IBR roof sheets came out with pre-installation. So it's no longer protecting this roof. That's why we're going to be respraying this roof to make sure it protects this roof for another 10 years to come.